Okay, and now the transaction is submitted and confirmed. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. It's my log transaction, and the first box in this transaction is the service box. You don't have to know about it. It's a RWT repo box that creates permits. The second box is your permit box, and you can see that you have received RWT tokens. And the third box is your address. It's my washer address, and I can see that I have received my WID token. And the WID token will be written in the RWT repo box so that my washer is registered in the service now. And the fourth box is the collateral. You can see that I have logged 50 ergs and RSN token here. I have logged 100,000 RSN to get my WID token. And finally, the last one is a change box. I can now use my RWC tokens to report uh, related bridge events.